Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhijit. Today's in this Zoom Marathon Challenge video, I am going to talk about stack. If I'm talking about stack, the first question is what is stack? Basically, stack is a linear data structure that follow the leaf of principal, that is LIF of principal. L means last, I means in, F means first, and O means out. That is last in, first out. Basically, it contains only one pointer, that is top pointer of the stack, and if we add anything, then we have to add the item in top of the stack, and if we want to delete anything from the stack, then we have to delete it from top of the stack. In other words, stack can be defined as a container in which insertion and deletion can be done from the one end only. This is known as top of the stack. Now let's take some example of the stack. After that, I will share my screen and I will show you how it is working basically. And why stack is called? Then it is called as a stack because it is behave like a real world stack that is piles of book. If you're going to library or any other thing, and if you're putting the book in your table as a pile, then there is key. What is happening? You put a book, after that above another, then another, like this make a stack. You can't remove book from the bottom of the files. You have to move first top, then then after that. This is how basically work. Now let me share my screen to show you how the basically stack is generally working. First, I'm going to take example or concept, that is, then suppose we have a bottle or anything, we have a glass, then we have to put the number plate like this. There is something a container it is, and we have to put air anything push into the this. Suppose we have to push one, then after two, then three, four, then four, and then we have to push the five. If I put anything in, and if we want to after pushing, and if we want to remove anything from the container, then we have to remove the top of the stack. That is, what is the top value that we have to remove first. That is, suppose there is a five, I push five, 1 2 3 4 5, then we have to remove five first, then we can remove four, then we can remove three, then two, then one. That is how basically stack concept is working. Now take some real life example. Then real life example, suppose here you can see here that there are piles of a book, and if you want to remove the book from the bottom, then suppose there are three or four, then we can easily remove from the bottom. But there are, suppose there are 1 feet or 2 feet or 3 feet, there are lots of book, and then we want to need a book from the middle, then we have to remove the book from the top, then another, then this is how when we reach our correct book, then we can stop our book removing. Then there are some of the chai pati, there are, take example, chati, one after one. This is how basically stack is working. That is, for the follow the standard of LIFO, that is last in first out. Then we have to enter first, then we have to remove. That means last in first out. Whatever item we added last, we can remove this item first. Otherwise, it cannot be working. That's it. That is all about my concept about the stack. I hope it will help you. That's it for today's video. Thank you.